What's up guys, welcome back to TB Electric. Today we're showing you the Motocutz front number plates. We now sell these on TB Electric, and check out this new high-end vented version. But we also have the standard black here. We have the red, the gray, the white. This is basically just another new style of, your typical upgraded ODI plate. These are a little bit more expensive, but people have been super stoked on this different looking design and the colors that they have to offer. Let's get this baby installed. All you're gonna need is 4 zip ties, some zip tie cutters, and we're gonna get this bad boy thrown on. So all you gotta do, take off your old stock plate, and we're gonna upgrade this bad boy. So cut all those zip ties. Pull that off, throw it in the garbage. Well, this will be a super easy process. We're gonna go ahead and just line up our plate there, put all of the little wings wrapped around your fork. We're gonna throw a zip tie right through the side hole here, bring it around, connect it. Now we're just gonna leave this one loose for now till we get them all on. You're also gonna wanna make sure that you don't zip tie any of your wires to the wrong places. Just make sure these zip ties are going around your fork leg and not your wiring. Now that we got all those on loosely, we're gonna go around the front, make sure we're nice and straight, put it exactly where you want it to go, hold it, and then I like to cinch them all down while I'm holding it to make sure it stays where I want it to be. Then you can go ahead and cut off all your ends, and you can rotate them in super easily. So if you cut these off, then if you don't want this sticking out, you can just rotate it with your finger all the way back so it's nice and hidden. Repeat on the other side, you'll be good to go. And if you guys ordered graphics for your plate, you can install it on the bike or off the bike. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out all these colors on tbelectricmoto.com. Link down in the video description. We'll catch you next video. This is the, I couldn't remember what it was called. What's it called?